Guys, in this video we will see how to fix error invalid data error code 13 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. This type of error appear when you try to install Windows Update or new PC. The first workaround is go to Windows search and type disk cleanup. Open disk cleanup, click on it, select the drive you want to clean up, choose the drive where your program files exist. A new window will open. Here, make the check against all the options: recycle bin, temporary files, thumbnail caches, updated files, folders, temporary internet files. Select all these and click on OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Choose delete files. And it will clear your disk space and release extra space for your system, and as well as clear your caches. The next one is right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side go to system settings, and from the right side look for the option troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot. This is an inbuilt tool which fixes various major and minor issues of your system. Choose other troubleshooters, and here click on run button against Windows Update. Run Windows Update troubleshooters. This is an important tool to fix various issues of your system. Various type of troubleshoot available here. When you will have to run Windows Update troubleshooter to fix Windows Update failed to install error on your system, and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run dialog box, and here type services.msc. Click on OK. It will open services windows in your system. Now you will have to start or restart various Windows Update related services, and the first one is Background Intelligent Transfer Service, BITS. Simply right click on it and choose start or restart. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic. And finally choose apply and OK to save the changes. The same process will be applied for other three services, and the second one is cryptographic services. Same, right click on it and first choose start, otherwise restart. If you found it in already a start mode, then restart it. Thereafter apply a double click on it to open its properties, set a startup type as automatic, press apply and OK to save the changes. The third one is Windows Installer Services. Same, right click on it, choose start or restart as per your system requirement. If you found it in already start mode, then restart it, otherwise start it. You can't change its startup type, so close the windows. And the last one is Windows Update Services. Same process, right click on it, first choose start, otherwise restart, Windows Update Services. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic. After that, restart your system and check whether Windows Update failed to install error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows Search and type CMD and open Command Prompt Windows Run as Administrator mode. Click on Run as Administrator. Command Prompt Windows will now open. Here, execute the command. First, execute this 3DISM tool to scan your system and check your system health and restore your system health. DISM scan health, DISM check health, and DISM restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt windows. And once successfully execution of these three DISM command, execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your computer for any corrupted files and repair them accordingly. After that, restart your system and check whether your Windows update failed to install error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Same process. Don't forget to restart your system and check if your error is still, then again go to the same command prompt windows and execute some Windows update components. As shown on a screen, all these Windows update components one by one. First, execute these 4 commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time to stop these 4 services. All this command path will also available in my video's description box. Simply copy from there and paste it in command prompt windows. One by one is execute all these command, followed by enter key on each time. Follow on screen instruction to complete the process. And after that, start all those 4 services you have earlier stopped them. Now start them. Execute one by one, followed by enter key on each time. And after that, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, manually install Windows Update on your system. To download and install manually, launch Google Chrome browser and in search field type Microsoft Update Catalog and press enter. Choose first result appeared, Microsoft Update Catalog. Open it and in Microsoft Update Catalog windows, in search field, type the KV update which you want to download and install.